When we look at change in land cover and terrestrial biochemistry, we see many issues that pop up, from flooding to drought, temperatures that are becoming more extreme, and a changing environment everywhere on Earth. The threat of the water cycle changes is already becoming permanent, and it can only get worse. For this, I decided to look at my own hometown of Hershey, PA, a semi-rural area that has felt the effects of this changing water cycle before. The northeastern state of PA has become more vulnerable to severe weather patterns like polar vortex and some heavy rainfall for a few years now. The mountainous region is popular for rain through the spring and the summer months, as well as snow in the winter months. However, the increase in rainfall and severe storms is a sign of these changing water cycles. The problem is simply explained in the Chapter 10 readings as said, more intense rain events and storms can lead to the flooding and ecosystem disturbances, thereby altering ecosystem function and carbon cycle dynamics. Hershey and the rest of PA are used to a balance of precipitation and sunny weather, but wetter springs have become very permanent. With Hershey being a rural farm area, as well as a tourist destination, severe flooding and rain can impact both lifestyles in this area. For example, when Hurricane Sandy came through in PA, I remember seeing the damage done all around my area. Farmers lost crops, tourist locations ruined and shut down for an entire year. Projected forecasts are more of the same: more rain or snow, more damage to crops or flooding. Without making a serious effect on slowing climate change, there may not be a solution. The water cycle is changing because the atmosphere is warming, allowing for warm water to be held, resulting in more warm water to be held, resulting in worse floods, and such as previously talked about.